Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rick, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the wall flip. But first, let's go to the gym. Step 1. The run up. Start off with your arms behind you, and then swing them up after you put the ball of your foot on the wall. The technique of kicking off the wall is very similar to the wall run, so if you're having any difficulty with this move, make sure you check out my wall run tutorial. Drive your knee up as hard as you can when you go into your backflip. This flip is all about height, so make sure that you get as much height first before you tuck. One mistake that people make is untucking too early. If this happens, just place your hands down on the floor to keep you from hitting your head. This is a dangerous move if not done correctly, so always practice in a gym. Before attempting this move, make sure that you know how to do a backflip on flat ground. If you're having trouble doing your backflip, check out my backflip tutorial. Keep your chest up throughout the whole flip. Doing this ensures that you will gain as much height as possible going into your backflip. Spot the ground before you untuck. As you untuck, make sure to bring your legs straight down. Then absorb the impact using the ball of your feet. Once you have put all these steps together, congratulations, you have successfully done your wall flip. If you're afraid to go for your backflip right away, you can practice by doing a cartwheel. Now here's a brief recap.